Hello. Today we are looking at how to install WPS Office 2019 as a flat pack on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our Chromebook. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the Linux icon on the left panel in our settings. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install WPS Office. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will update the software sources of our Linux apps. This command should run automatically as soon as you paste it into a terminal session. Now we will install Flatpak with the second command. Now click Enter to begin the installation and the process will start. With the next step, we will enable the official FlatHub repository on our Chromebook. Lastly, we will install WPS Office. We will copy the last command into our terminal. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Press Enter again. This is a long process, so we are going to fast forward it. Now WPS Office 2019 is now installed on your Chromebook. Enjoy!